Fuel cell technology is a promising alternative energy carrier that can potentially help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve overall energy efficiency. However, like any new technology, there are both environmental and safety concerns associated with it. This video explains the top environmental and safety concerns associated with fuel cell technology.
If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.
The production of fuel cells requires a significant amount of raw materials, including rare earth elements, platinum, and palladium. The extraction of these materials can have negative environmental impacts, including habitat destruction and water pollution. The production of fuel cells is an energy-intensive process, which can lead to increased greenhouse gas emissions and other environmental impacts. The wastewater generated during the operation of fuel cells can be contaminated with chemicals and heavy metals. Once a fuel cell reaches the end of its life, it must be properly disposed of or recycled. Currently, there is no large-scale recycling program in place for fuel cells, which means that they may end up in landfills, where they can contribute to environmental pollution. The most common fuel used in fuel cells is hydrogen, which is typically produced from natural gas through a process called steam methane reforming. This process can result in significant greenhouse gas emissions and other environmental impacts. Large-scale production of fuel cells and the associated infrastructure, such as hydrogen production facilities and storage tanks, can require significant land use, which can lead to habitat destruction and other environmental impacts.
If you want us to make this kind of video, make sure you comment below and do not forget to subscribe.
Hydrogen is a highly flammable gas and must be stored at high pressure or extremely low temperatures to maintain its liquid state. This can create safety concerns, particularly in the event of a leak or rupture of a storage tank. Transporting hydrogen from production facilities to fuel cell sites can also create safety concerns, particularly if the hydrogen is not properly contained or handled. Fuel cells themselves must be operated safely, with proper ventilation and monitoring to ensure that hydrogen levels do not reach unsafe levels. Maintenance and repair of fuel cells must be carried out by trained professionals, as improper handling of fuel cells can result in injury or damage to the equipment. Fuel cells must be integrated into existing energy infrastructure safely, with proper measures in place to prevent leaks or other safety hazards. In the event of a fuel cell-related incident, emergency responders must be trained to handle the situation safely, including proper handling of hydrogen and other fuel cell components.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification.